Welcome back to my YouTube channel Ritika's Bright Corner. This is Ritika back on the channel. Now, this video contains I'm going to represent about CPR, a first aid session conducted by KR Safety Solutions, Mr. Rakesh Patel. Please like and subscribe the channel. Rakesh Patel. Mr. Rakesh Patel, an ex-Indian Navy officer, graduate from Indian Armed Forces. He has over 15 years of experience in Indian Navy as a trainer for firefighting and nuclear biological chemical damage control system. Now, let's hand over the video to Mr. Rakesh Patel. Let's go.
Hello everyone, myself Rakesh Pathak, Director KR Safety Solutions, going to present Be Prepared Medical Emergency and Preparedness related to the first aid. In this topic, today I am going to cover how to give the CPR, how to identify the victim's conditions, and also I am going to give one information which is a very important related to the road safety. Next. What the kinds of the medical emergencies can be occur in your surroundings, in your workplaces, these are all the things. Electrocution, shock, gas fumes inhalation, heart attack, cardiac arrest, burns, scalds, injuries, fractures, unconsciousness and snake bite. Next. So why did no one help the car accident victims? जब भी कोई कार एक्सीडेंट होता है रोड में तो कोई उस विक्टिम्स को मदद क्यों नहीं करता है और पहले क्यों नहीं करते थे और अभी हम उसको बेहिचक कर सकते हैं? इसका कारण ये है, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। गवर्नमेंट ने एक सर्कुलर जारी किया हुआ है, ये बहुत पहले ये सर्कुलर आ चुका है। जो भी मेडिकल रिलेटेड चीजों को अगर विक्टिम्स को मदद नहीं कर रहा है उस पर कार्रवाई की जा सकती है, या फिर वो डॉक्टर हो या फिर वो एनफोर्समेंट एजेंसीज हो, या फिर हम एक कॉमन आदमी भी चाहे तो एक विक्टिम्स को हम बचा सकते हैं, उसकी मदद कर सकते हैं। उस दौरान हमें क्या क्या चीजों को ध्यान रखना चाहिए जो कि पहले लोग इससे कतराते थे, मदद नहीं करते थे। उसका रीजन ये था कि पुलिस, कोर्ट्स और कई सारे लीगल इश्यूज जो है बार बार दोहराई जाती थी, जिसके कारण कॉमन मैन को, कॉमन लोगों को परेशानी होती थी। But now it is very easy. You can help the victims without hesitations. You can also take the victims to the hospital immediately, nearest hospital, and also you can give the first aid. So today I told you that today I am just going to cover the CPR. CPR means cardiac pulmonary resuscitations. Before going to the CPR, we should know the few facts. That is, first aid should be provided by the person who is nearby immediately. First aid should be provided within the first 4 minutes. That is, the golden minutes is called in the first aid sections. Immediately check the deficiency and provide the first aid. Do not delay. It is a very important. That is what first 4 minutes it is a mention in the first aid logbook is that golden minutes, and next 1 hour is a golden hours. Know how to use the availability first aid equipment is a very important. If you are a competent, if you are a perfect, if you know how to operate the things which is there in the first aid box, please go ahead, otherwise don't do. So what could be the 4 main reasons for the death during the accident, or it may be road or maybe in the company? So these are all the 4 reasons for the death. You can see no breathing. If there is a no breathing, no heartbeat, definitely. Blood losses, excess blood losses also cause the death. You may know this, the total amount of the blood which is there in our body is a 4.5 to 5 liter. Only we can donate the blood is only 300 ml, which is prescribed by the doctor. More than that blood, if you are lost, human being lost, definitely there will be the death. So blood losses also is the major threat for the death. And next, the last one is the unresponsiveness. So, as I told you that how we can give the CPR, it is a very important to take care of the victims first before going for the CPR in the proper surface places. There should not be any irregular surfaces where you can initiate the CPR. That may also may be danger and it may cause the death of the victims. So before going for the CPR, you have to check the things whether the victim is responding or he is not responding. So tap to on his shoulder and ask them, talk to him very loudly. Hello, what happened? Like this. Tap on his shoulder frequently. Also, if he is responding, check his breathing. No need to give the CPR if his breathing is going on. If you are checked the case and his pulse rate is going on and airways is going on, breathing is going on, we should not do the CPR process. If it is not going, if he is not responding while talking frequently to him loudly, then we have to initiate the process of CPR. Like the initial process is that 2:30. 2 means 2 times, so 2 times breathing and 30 times compressions. 2 times breathing means before going for the breathing, we have to clear the area which is called the trachea and esophagus, and also to check whether the tongue is not blocked. What will happen once we'll try to give the breathing inside through his nose, the air will go inside the lungs and it generate the oxygen and to help to the heartbeat to start immediately. So this is actually called the process of the CPR. And 30 times compression means we have to compress the chest 30 times. This ratio has to be goes on 8 times in 1 minute. That is 2 times breathing and 30 times compressions. Next. So these are all the very important things before going for the CPR. That is A, B, C. A is we have to clear the airways. If you are giving a breathing through his nose, the victim's nose, what will happen? Sometimes victims may eaten before the accident. That things may be distract the airways and also make chances of the blockages of the airways. So we have to clear the airways, that is blockages, and also to clear the path where the air should go inside the lungs. So clear the airways, tilt the head. Due to the blockages of air will be clear. Look, listen, feel. This is a very important mnemonics while going for the CPR. Next.
Take some time to learn first aid and CPR. It saves lives and it works. Thank you so much for seeing the whole video. Please also give us some feedback in the comments and for this video. Thank you so much and have a marvelous day. Please subscribe and also like our video.